It looks like a mama and her cub. He was lucky. With some states reaching all-time highs for new coronavirus infections, governors in 3 northeastern states have enacted a new 2-week quarantine for anyone traveling from a so-called coronavirus hotspot. Jay Gray has the details.
As the Northeast continues a phased reopening with the number of COVID-19 infections dropping.
We went from the highest cases, the highest viral transmission rate, to some of the lowest rates in the country.
The governors of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut requiring visitors from areas considered hotspots to quarantine for 14 days if they travel to the region.
This is what we've got to do to make sure that our region stays safe and our state stay safe.
23 states are reporting an increase in cases of 25% or more over the last 2 weeks.
We're now seeing a disturbing surge of infections.
Texas, Arizona, and Florida, 3 states that opened early, now reporting record levels of new infections and dramatic increases in hospitalizations. In Houston, officials preparing to enact a hospital surge plan. Adult patients already being admitted to the nation's largest children's hospital there. At the current rate, the area could run out of ICU beds in the next 2 weeks. Lines stretch for blocks at Florida testing centers, many overwhelmed by requests as the virus continues to grow and spread.
And it's not over until it's over.
And clearly, across about half of the country, it's far from over.
There's also word tonight that the European Union is considering a travel ban on American travelers because of the spike in cases across the country. We could be one step closer to a vaccine against the coronavirus. One company in Chicago is entering the final phase of its vaccine testing. Madera and the University of Illinois Chicago are now in phase 3 clinical trials. The potential vaccine was designed to help the body produce antibodies to both prevent them from getting the virus and to make it less severe. They plan to test it on at least 1,000 people. The doctor leading the study says they will be recruiting participants from Chicago neighborhoods and will be providing them a stipend.